war between Pastor and Corbita. First ball going to Kahandan. Pastor Bahid. To Cordado. To Vera. Oh, good. One Pastor, go back to first Pastor. Julio Sumagasa, kick out of Flores for Tris. Wala. Ron Dallas, long pass to Cordado. Picks and fire. Air it out. The ball Flores. Rodriguez leads up to points. Rodriguez. Pastor Obahin. Kick out of Dallas to points. Dallas. Pass to Flores, to Mera, and this one to Mera, put back to Prince. Hasta Estudiore, lepas lawan. Nakuha ni Corbita na mamadala, lumipad. Nakuha ni Pastor. To Estudiore, drive to Prince. Tawas, to Bahid. Iwan kay Pastor. Pastor Bahid. Bahid to body home to Prince Bahid. To Damos. Iwan kay Pastor to Prince. Moving the ball. To Andalas, to Mera. Lintes, Rebaan Bueles. Put back, black by Corbita. Agawa na mula nakuha bola ni Thompson, moving the ball. Pasto Andalas. Bomo kalau press. Bang. To Thompson. Wanted by Flores. Tuan J. Mendoza. Sa ilalim. Thompson perimeter. Wala. 20 seconds. Thompson to Andalas. Bomo kalau press tanawan. Ayaw, rebound Flora. Orconio. Teguhan ni Corbita, side strip move. Wala, rebound Orconio. Nalabas muna. Nagawang bola. Papunta play, nakuha ni Mendoza. Mendoza na Andalas, speaks of fire. $35. 10 to shoot. 25. 10. 5.